Across America, a quiet revolution has been growing. For 30 years, people are speaking Sanskritam again.
It began in 1995. A few visionaries, a big dream, to make Sanskritam a spoken, living language once more.
Today, from living rooms to local communities, and from small towns to major cities, Sanskritam is blossoming across America. Spoken in homes, classrooms, temples, and even in neighborhood parks, its voice is growing stronger every day.
Every contribution helps expand Sanskritam learning across the country. New classes, new teachers, new resources. Be part of this movement.
इयं शुभा वार्ता सञ्चिका संख्या 41 प्रवाचकः गवीशद्विवेदी संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानताम् देवा भागं यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते इति संघटन मंत्रं मनसि निधाय संस्कृतं व्यवहारभाषा भवेत् इति लक्ष्यं साधयितुं वयं संस्कृतभारत्याः अमेरिका केनडा देशयोः कार्यकर्तारः भवतां सर्वेषां सहयोगेन संस्कृतसेवां कुर्वन्तः स्मः। एवं तु वयं सर्वेऽपि कार्यकर्तारः संस्कृतानुरागिणः च संघटनाय निधिभूताः स्मः। परं कार्याणि प्रवर्तयितुं वित्तरूपः कश्चन निधिः अपि अपेक्षितः भवति एव। तस्मात् स्वल्पं स्वस्मै समाजाय सर्वस्वम् इति भावे विश्वासम् आदधानाः वयं सर्वे प्रतिवर्षं धनसमर्पणं समाजनिधिनाम्ना कुर्मः।
नमः सर्वेभ्यः। समाजनिधिविषये विशदीकर्तुं मया सह अस्ति संस्कृतभारत्याः सभापतिः डॉक्टर प्रसाद कैपा महोदय। नमस्ते प्रसाद महोदय।
Namaste, Vache.
So, I've heard a lot about Samajanidhi. Can you please explain to our audience what that is?
I'd like to thank all of you who have been supporting Samskrita Bharati all these years. Once a year, we reach out to all of you who have come in our contact through classes, camps, various other activities, and encourage you to be part of the Samskrita movement by making a voluntary monetary contribution to Samskrita Bharati.
Okay, and when you say encouraging them to be part of the movement, do you mean something like Samarpanam?
Yes, that's the right word. Samarpana Bhava and Samarpanam are extraordinarily important because to identify yourself to be part of the Sanskritam cause, you need to contribute to Sanskritam movement from your heart. So, by doing Samarpanam to Samskrita Bharati at the end of the year, you actually contribute for helping the Sanskritam movement keep moving forward in the United States and rest of the world.
How does Samskrita Bharati use the funds that are collected through Samajanidhi?
All the money that we collect through Samajanidhi is used for variety of things. Continuing projects like Bala Sikshanam, sometimes overhead costs like office space, liability insurance, bookstore, subscriptions to Schoology, and some of the things like that. Part of the Samajanidhi also is put aside for endowment fund.
Okay, that's great to know. So I want to contribute to Samajanidhi. How can I go about doing that?
The best way is first you go to sbusa.org. When you go there, you can make an online contribution, or you can write a check and send it by mail to the address that is given in SBUSA as well. All information that you need to make the Samarpanam is on our webpage. I just did my Samarpanam. I hope all of you do that very quickly.
Ma
मम आसन्दः
दन्तकूर्चः
चषकः
कन्दुकः
कूपी
पठामि
मम कुञ्चिका
कृपया
यानप्रकोष्ठे पुस्तकम् अस्ति
तारा
वेदान्त सार्ध एकवादनम्
क्षम्यतां पुनर्मिलामः
वयं सर्वे एकं द्वे 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 साधु असाधु द्वे त्रीणि शिवस्य नेत्राणि त्रीणि चत्वारि रथस्य चक्राणि चत्वारि पञ्च पाण्डवाः पञ्च
परन्तु तेषां दृष्टिः सप्तमी विभक्ति प्रति न अस्ति लड्डुकं प्रति अन्नपूर्णा खादितवती वा तथैव सा स्थूला अस्ति इति मनसि चलति चषकः चमसः चषके जलम् अस्ति चषके जलमस्ति
अधः अत्र एव तिष्ठन्तु द्विवारं श्वासोच्छ्वासः एकं द्वे पुनः उपरि नयन्तु एवम् उपरि नयन्तु मन्दं यथास्थाने स्थापयन्तु उत्तमम्
नैजं कार्यं करणीयम्
नित्यमविरतं चलनीयम् नैजं कार्यं करणीयम्